How to remove saved logged in info on Facebook. First things first is of course access or pull up your Facebook application and ensure that you're logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, all you have to do is to locate the menu, which is usually located at the top right portion of your screen. Then here all you have to do is to go ahead and locate settings and privacy, tap on that, and then go to settings. Then here we have to manually search and look for password and security. So you simply type it in, password and security. Tap on that, and then in here just choose on whatever that you're currently logged on, and then in here just choose on saved and logged in. Now choose on the current account where you are currently logged in right now, and then as you can see, you can go ahead and choose on other devices and browsers that was recently logged in on your account. Now to remove it, just simply choose on remove account from device and you're good to go. And that is how you removed and saved logged in info on Facebook.